don't need new friends, I don't need new friends. I got Benjamins, I don't need new friends, I don't need new friends. I got Benjamins, dead presidents.
G'day guys, my name's Glenn. I'm the owner operator of Compass Driving School, and today I'm going to show you how to do a reverse parallel park as easy as I can make it, as basic. Okay, so I'm going to show you the steps and you can go from there. We're approaching the vehicle, indicating well before we get there. We're checking the rear view mirror for traffic as we're slowing down. And we're going to try and stop and line up the back of the cars. You can use a technique called mirror to mirror, as long as the cars are the same length. So I'm trying to now look and judge if the back of the cars are the same, lined up. Don't forget guys, this takes time to know how to do this, and don't worry about failing. Failing is how we learn. And about a metre away, no more, or if you get a push bike between the two cars. So we're in our position, we've parked next to the car, lined up. I'm scanning in all directions, checking my blind spots. I'm going to go into reverse. I'm still scanning as I do that. Now I'm going to turn the steering wheel one full turn to the left. One full turn only, and I'm going to go back now. Lane, shoulder checking, constantly looking out my mirror, looking over my shoulder. Once you see the tail light, then you have to stop. You'll turn your steering wheel back to the right one full turn, back the opposite way to the right one turn. Scanning again, slowly going back. Now as you're going back guys, you want to look for the door handle through the mirror to the gutter. You'll see the concrete gutter. And you're trying to line the door handle up as a reference point where to stop. Well, that's telling you how close to get before you need to stop and turn. Okay, so keep an eye on that, and once you're at that point, you're going to stop, turn the wheel full lock to the right, and I'm scanning before I go back, and now I'm going to move the car back slowly. Once I see the checking the front, of course, I'll see the gutters all parallel. And now we've got to just go forward slightly to straighten the wheels and the whole car. So you can turn the wheel one full turn to the left, slowly move forward, not too much, stop the car, put it into neutral if it's a manual car, and handbrake goes on. You'll look to the side, you can see your spot on there, that's perfect, that's where you want to be. Now the examiner's going to say to you, are you happy with that? If you are, say yes. They'll say, okay, if you're happy with that, we'll now move on, thank you. So you're to move on. To see the next video on how to move on safely, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and thanks for watching guys. See you later.
You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast. My whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat, ayy. You know I'm a beast.
Can I run up the score, run up the board, breaking them all, ayy.